So a lot of that I see with it, because a lot of females often come to me and saying things like they feel really cold when they start, going really low carb and stay consistently with that again. So that would all be a sign that things like thyroid function is being impacted within that. Other things that I see, so again, when it comes to female hormones, so for some females, it can actually work amazingly to help promote, obviously. I've known a lot of females who come to a low carbohydrate approach, particularly for fertility. So particularly those individuals, it comes back to if they are predisposed to a lot of insulin resistance. So there's a condition which is known as PCOS, so that's polycystic ovary syndrome. And that is where there is cysts which are basically grown on the ovary, which can impact fertility. It can cause things like weight gain or kind of facial hair growth, etc. And that's because the impact that it's having on the hormones. So it's downplaying a lot of the female hormones whilst upregulating a lot of the male hormones as well. And the direct impact that it has is also with regards to insulin. So we keep coming back to this aspect of insulin. So what is the thing that we can obviously drive down insulin is that of a low carbohydrate diet. And I always remember actually listening to a presentation from Jackie Bernstein, who is Dr. Atkins' nurse.
Okay.
And she was talking about a study that they did, and it was looking at low carb and PCOS. And they actually had, I can't remember how many females they had within the study, but they ended up having, once they took participants on, had to end up giving a disclaimer and saying that, if you're not on birth control before starting the diet, you have to, because halfway through the study, a couple of participants actually ended up pregnant, and they've been told you'll never ever be able to conceive, because your issue with PCOS is so severe. And then when they started the low carbohydrate diet, they actually were able to reverse, they were able to improve a lot of their hormone levels, and because they got that insulin level down. So